Lying down on your back, feet about sit bone distance apart, knees bent, arms long by your sides. Let the shoulders soften, jaw relaxed, neck long, collarbones wide. Take a slow inhale and a full exhale. Let the ribs soften down. Make a little triangle with your hands over the front of your pelvis. Heels of the hands near the ASIS, fingertips toward the pubic bone. This triangle helps you feel how the pelvis tips and shifts during the clock. When the triangle feels leveled, that's neutral pelvis. Imagine your pelvis as a clock. 12 o'clock toward your belly button, 6 o'clock toward your tailbone. Exhale, tip toward 12, lower back softens, fingertips rise. Back to neutral, triangle level, tip toward 6, lower back floats up, thumbs rise. Just finding the two directions. Let the movement be small. 12 o'clock, lower back melts toward the mat. Tailbone curls gently under. Feel the front of the hips lengthening. Back to neutral. 6 o'clock, the sitting bones reach back and away behind you, allowing the hip crease to sink and deepen. You can also imagine that clock is a bowl filled with water. As the water pours toward your head, lower back lengthen. Back to level, pours toward your tailbone, lower back arch. Try to move with as little effort as possible. Exhale toward 12, pelvis pours back, femurs naturally drift forward. Inhale toward 6, pelvis drops, feel the sitting bones opening wide behind you. Feel the movement in the pelvis. Posterior tilt, bowl pours back. Anterior tilt, water pours forward. Return to neutral. Let's explore the sides. 9 o'clock to your right, 3 o'clock to your left. We'll let the bowl pour side to side. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, let the bowl tip to the right toward 9. The right hip drops. Left hip will lift and lengthen out. Left hip sinks toward 3. Right leg naturally shifts forward. But keep the right leg tracking straight, not swinging out to the side. Return. And again, rocking side to side gently. Let the breath guide you. Exhale. Let the pelvis rotate. Inhale, return. Notice any difference between the two sides. One might tip more willingly than the other. And that's okay. Just notice. Finish this last one to the side, and let's come back to neutral. Let's combine the two movement and let them flow into a continuous circle, tracing the outline of the clock. Make it a slow, smooth circle. Water moving continuously around the rim. No corners, no pauses. Notice where the bowl hesitates or loses fluidity. That is the place that needs the most attention. Stay there a little longer. Breathe into it. Slow and gentle, moving around the clock. Soften the abdominals a little more. Keep the movement light. And now let's reverse the circle. The water traveling the other way around the bowl. Still smooth, still slow enough that nothing spills. Notice if this direction feels different in the body. Last two. Allow the pelvis visit every direction. Forward, back, side to side, and every degree in between. Feel the lower back begins to soften and release. This is one of the most complete mobility movements for the pelvis and spine you can practice daily. Come back to center, settle into our neutral where the triangle is level. Arms back out long and take a rest.